Everybody else did.
Okay, so today is day 4, and just body pump again, but today is going to be 30 minutes of body pump and then 30 minutes of CX, which is core. So it's 2 classes today, and I was going to run, but I've decided that I'm not going to because I ran yesterday, and then tomorrow I don't have class, so I'm going to run tomorrow. My legs are still very sore, like extremely. And so now, while everybody's getting ready, is getting my bar ready. Like I said, I'm starting light. We'll do 7 on one side, 7 on the other, just to start and get back in the swing of things, and go from there. But this is what's so funny though. Like, I pulled up outside, and there were 2 cars backing up at the exact same time, and so like I watched this guy hit this woman's car. It really sucked because she honked the horn like 10 times. He still kept going. Yeah. She's doing a vlog. No, I know everybody looking like, why is she talking? My camera. Huh? I knew. No, she needs to rage. No, he she honked like 8 times and he kept backing up. And then he hit her.
A white guy with red hair.
A white guy, he was driving like a tan car.
That was Mark.
An older guy. Probably.
He just walked out when I just got here.
Like, yeah.
He was in the front.
But anyway, that was a whole hot mess. And I saw it and I was like, no, stop.
Y'all lost classmates.
And then he hit her anyway. But anyway, so I'm ready. I hope so. Hopefully you don't do any squats because my legs hurt like extremely bad right now.